Making money without doing any work and without investment may seem too good to be true, but with the help of artificial intelligence, it's becoming increasingly possible. The platforms which I am going to mention are just a few examples of how technology is changing the way we earn money online. By leveraging the power of AI, you can earn money in your spare time without leaving the comfort of your own home. Hello and welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tips for making money online. Today we're going to talk about 5 ways to make money without doing any work and no investment using artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence (AI) has revolutionized the way we live and work. It has become an integral part of our lives, and we can use it to make money without any investment. AI is used in various industries, including finance, healthcare, retail, and entertainment. It has also made its way into the gig economy, providing opportunities for individuals to make money online. So, let's get started. Honeygain. The first platform on our list is Honeygain. Honeygain is an app that allows you to earn money by sharing your internet connection. The app uses your internet connection to collect data, which it then sells to businesses. Honeygain operates by connecting its users to a VPN, which routes data through your device to its destination. The app is completely safe and secure, and it doesn't affect your internet speed. You can earn up to $50 per month by simply installing and using the app. The more devices you have connected to Honeygain, the more money you can earn. Honeygain has a referral program that allows you to earn 10% of your referral's earnings. You can refer up to 100 people, which means you can earn up to $500 per month just by referring others. The app is available on both Android and iOS platforms, and it's free to download and use. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards platform that allows you to earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, and completing other simple tasks. The platform uses AI to match you with surveys and tasks that are relevant to your interests, making it easier for you to earn money. Swagbucks has paid out over $400 million in rewards to its users since its inception in 2008. You can earn Swagbucks points, which can be redeemed for gift cards or cash through PayPal. You can also earn cashback on online purchases made through Swagbucks. Swagbucks has a referral program that allows you to earn 10% of your referral's earnings. You can refer up to 100 people, which means you can earn up to $1,000 per month just by referring others. The platform is available in several countries, including the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. It's free to sign up and use. Foap. Foap is a platform that allows you to sell your photos and videos. All you need to do is take a photo or record a video and upload it to the platform. Foap uses AI to categorize your photos and videos, making it easier for buyers to find and purchase them. You can earn up to $5 per photo or video sold. Foap has over 3 million members and is a great way to showcase your photography and videography skills. Foap has a referral program that allows you to earn 10% of your referral's earnings. You can refer up to 20 people, which means you can earn up to $100 per month just by referring others. The platform is available on both Android and iOS platforms, and it's free to download and use. User testing. User testing is a platform that allows you to earn money by testing websites and apps. The platform uses AI to match you with tests that are relevant to your interests and demographics. All you need to do is visit a website or use an app and provide feedback. You can earn up to $60 per test. User testing has worked with major brands such as Microsoft, Airbnb, and eBay. It's a great way to earn money while helping companies improve their user experience. User testing has a referral program that allows you to earn $30 for each person you refer who completes a test. You can refer an unlimited number of people, which means you can earn a substantial amount of money just by referring others. The platform is available worldwide, and you can sign up for free. Rakuten. Rakuten is a cashback platform that allows you to earn money by shopping online. The platform uses AI to match you with cashback offers and coupons that are relevant to your interests. All you need to do is shop online through Rakuten's website or mobile app, and you'll earn cashback on your purchases. Rakuten partners with over 2,500 stores, including Amazon, Macy's, and Walmart. Rakuten has a referral program that allows you to earn $25 for each person you refer who makes a qualifying purchase. You can refer up to 3 people, which means you can earn up to $75 just by referring others. The platform is available in the United States, Canada, and several other countries. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money without doing any work and no investment using artificial intelligence. Honeygain, Swagbucks, Foap, User Testing, and Rakuten are just a few examples of how AI is changing the way we earn money online. With these platforms, you can earn money from the comfort of your own home, without investing any money up front. So what are you waiting for? Give these platforms a try and start earning money today.